Welcome back, students. Myself Vishal Pandey. Let us start the topic, The Little Girl, from your book. As I have already discussed that how important the role of the children are in your families. If you talk about the role of children as well as the role of parents is very much associated, they are emotionally attached, especially when you talk about the girls or the boys. The little girl, as the story is titled, as you can see, the little girl is very much frightened of her father's behavior, her father's personality, attitude, and the way he speak, the way he entered in his house, the way he ordered something to do. So altogether, Kezia, name of that little girl is Kezia. Kezia is very much frightened about her father's behavior. One day, what she does, Kezia made a spin cushion to make her father happy on a birthday of his father. Kezia made a pin cushion, and with that pin cushion, she wanted to gift it to her father. She wanted to present it to her father on his birthday. She wanted to present that gift, that cushion, on the birthday of her father. So basically what she does, she needed a paper to stuff the pin cushions. To fulfill it, she needs some papers, and unfortunately she went into the father's room, and what she does, she found some sheets of paper in her father's room. She was not aware about those papers, that how those papers are important for her father, because those papers were very much important ones, because in those papers her father has written some speech, and what Kezia has done, she has stored all the papers and she has filled it into the cushion. Her father had written an important speech on them. So ultimately those papers are no more. It has been torn by Kezia. So he was very angry. Who was very angry? This is very important. Father of Kezia was very angry because of that Kezia has torn all the important and necessary papers, all the documents which were there in his room, and basically he has written the speech on those papers. So you have to keep this in your mind, that the relation between Kezia and her father, which is at ease, is nowadays, you can see in the story, is having just a reflection of some angerness. So he was very angry with her. He took a stick and beat her severely. He told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. So what father has done, he has taken a stick, he beat Kezia, and he told her earlier that don't touch anything of my room, and don't come unnecessarily in my room, and don't touch the thing that they don't belong to you, that did not belong to you. But Kezia, to make her father happy on the birthday, to present a cushion on her birthday, she has made that mistake. Kezia wept bitterly. She wept, she started crying. She wondered why God had made fathers. So Kezia is very much angry on her father, because there is a reason why she is angry, because he has beaten her very bitterly. So this was the reflection of Kezia about her father's behavior. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. Now she don't want to stand in front of her father. She don't want to sit along with him. She wants to just stay away even from his images as well. One day Kezia saw her neighbor Mr. MacDonald. He was playing with his children. So Mr. MacDonald was neighbor of Kezia, and Kezia saw him playing with his children. So she used to feel happy for that moment, because Mr. MacDonald is a good father according to Kezia, and her father is not good at all. So they all looked very happy all together, but Kezia's father never played with her. Kezia have that melancholy as well, that his father or her father is never playing with her since she is a child. So now she thought that there were different kind of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. So according to Kezia, all the fathers are not bad, all the fathers are not bad in behavior, but some are bad, and her father was one of them, as Kezia thinks. After a few days, Kezia's mother became ill. Kezia's mother fall ill. Her grandmother took her to hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with the nurse. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. At night, she had a horrible dream. So Kezia is all alone in the house because her mother is fallen ill, and her grandmother and mother, both of them are in a hospital. So she is staying with a nurse in a house. She had a horrible dream at the night. She had a horrible dream. She got frightened. She saw that there was a butcher with a knife. She was terrified. She gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room. Now her father is there in that room, because grandmother and mother is there in hospital, but her father, Kezia, and a nurse is there in the house. So when Kezia was frightened by that horrible dream, she cried, and she started crying loudly. So her father came in her room, and what he says, her father came into her room, he lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. So the emotions and the relationship of a daughter and father came on the platform in the real means. Whenever she is in trouble, the father will stand in front of you, stand beside you. So what they did, he took her in his bedroom, and both of them slept with, and the father told the beautiful stories to Kezia. And at that moment, Kezia realized that how great my father is. Even though he is like a coconut, from upper side you can say he's tough enough, he's hard enough, but he is as much as flexible as I cannot think. So this was the story of that little girl. I hope you understood it very well. Watch this video as many times as you can to understand it more thoroughly. Thank you so much.